While working with computers, we often want to connect to remote computers. There are many methods to do this. In this video I will talk about the PuTTY application. Using PuTTY, you can connect to remote computers using methods such as SSH, Telnet, RLogin. Now let's find out how you can download the PuTTY app. Let's make an example where we will then connect to the remote computer. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Type PuTTY into Google. Enter the first site. Make a selection based on your operating system. I will download PuTTY to a computer with a 64-bit Windows operating system. That's why I choose the first option. You can complete the installation by clicking Next. It has a very simple installation. I have previously set up a virtual machine on my computer. This machine has Oracle Linux operating system. I installed an Oracle database on this operating system. I will soon connect to this machine using PuTTY from my Windows computer. Afterwards, I will start the database from the remote desktop. This is how you can change the display settings. Open the PuTTY application. We need the IP address of the machine we will connect to. We can access the IP address with this command. Enter the IP address, then click the Open button. Enter a username for the machine. Then enter the password. We connected to the machine via remote desktop. Every command you enter in this command line will work for the machine you connect to. Let's start the database with the SQL Plus application. In this video, we learned how the PuTTY application works. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.